My daughter, Apple, I love you. I love you. You know when your father and me made you? You're very special. My daughter, you're so beautiful, like your mom. Oh.
Should I call the
You
hospital?
look like your
Yes! 911!
Naku!
It's screaming like your father.
I know.
Yeah.
Mom! That's so
I miss your dad. It's so big.
Oh!
Your father. Before me and your father eats this every Saturday in bed at night. Daddy is the reason why I love sausages.